Habai keren bikinong pathai kubor i Dr. Ampareen lingdo ila ongkat barang yat ki senam kajing don ki seat ban pule medical kelanang kio na kebentai ki Samla Pule ke Jylla. Hendrai ke Jylla pat kadang mat kajing duna kajing don ki doktor haka babon pha. Kumta ke Sorkar kan hab ban syang bishar bnia ekane kam ban pynthymmai no ekane mat trekam. Ban pentikina bagi doktor ki belet pule na ka bha jong ke Sorkar Jylla kide ban phai bang ke Jylla ban aya kajing syakri. I Dr. Ampareen lengdo ilong bakatanat kakot kakia kenang yakran bakatanat anjo ke Jylla ban bishar bnia ya kania ka polisi kenang ban petikina bagi Samla Pule doktor kinwan phai biang ke Jylla ban ai ke jing syakri onda kila pendap ya ke jing pulia jongki. I Dr. Ampareen lengdo ilong baka National Medical Commission shen kan sawan jengo ke Jylla hadin baka Sorkar Jylla kala penpau ke jing kloy ban pentre ka mekawe ka Government Medical College bat kawe ka Private Medical College but what ka Medical Authority of India kelayo ekajing pentip baka Jylla Meghalaya menta kelalong ka balakrea ban pentre kam no ya kani kajing temu. Ilong baka Sorkar Jylla ka bo ekathong ban sedang ya ka Shillong Medical College hapo ka senam arajar arpusan arajar arpuhenrio. Bat kumtagan hap ban trishtom ban la ban pen urlong ya kani kathong. Ili itu paman langapor keladon kajing ekran bat kibor kebedi kimi bat kelekran ru bat ka Medical Association jang ka Meghalaya ka Negrims bakin betin lenti lem hakaban la ban sedang no ya ki Medical College bat la tau ya ki ar nelai teli ki committee halor kani kebenta. Ini menteri le pentip baka Shillong Medical College kandai ka belong try bat ban peniat ke Sorkar bat kin penan kam ya ke jing syakri ni ki hospital baper ki ba peniat hi ke Sorkar Jylla. Bat mentakin hab ban pentikna bagian la ban syemwa ya ki professor ki lecturer ki tenat baper bat ke Jylla kala ban don ne ban omdon ki ustad dari Sampang kumtakin hab ban pentikna hab sedang ki jaga pule omde ban don kanu ke jing duna bat kimla ban ya pen ya ke bedai bat ke kerdan juga jing a ya ke jing nang jing start. Ilong bak Sorkar kale selok bat ki babon balang halor kene ke jing temu bat ngit scam baka kanhun menteri jong ke Sorkar Jylla kan sa syem karai ka bakat do ka ban long ke jing mentoy ya ke Jylla.
So the first thing was that we have seen a proportionate increase in numbers of seats allocated to the state of Meghalaya from its first allocation. Today, state in 2023 academic session, we got 94 seats. We hope that these numbers of seats will continue to proportionately increase in allocation. We are having some observations that are pertinent to the shortage of doctors in the state of Meghalaya. So alongside this allotment of seats by Government of India, the KSU and I had a conversation on the status of the medical college. And yes, both the medical colleges, the third medical college, which is the Botany Hut Institute of USTM, and the USTM Institute also is progressing very well. We will have to have certain consultations with regards to the matters of doctors engaged in the teaching posts. So doctors in the state of Meghalaya retire like other government employees. There is an urgent need now to review this, especially for the doctors who are going to be engaged in the teaching profession. So that is something that we need to do. The other thing is that why is it that from year to year we are increasing the numbers of seats for medical college studies for the students of Meghalaya? Why is it that we still have this huge shortage? So we're going to be reviewing the bond. We're going to review all these important concerns to ensure that doctors who avail this from the state of Meghalaya return to the state of Meghalaya. So we are engaging with actively with the law department, where we will be reviewing and revisiting this policy so that we ensure that our doctors, our students who get into this privilege of getting these allocation of seats away from NEET qualification to a large extent come back to the state of Meghalaya to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya. Then we were also able to attend to the problem that we had last year. We had a consult on that as well. Who are the eligible beneficiaries for an allotment of MBBS seat by the government of Meghalaya? The whole controversy that surrounded the PRC issuance of TCs. So all of that now is in better position, and we hope that as and when the court gives the nod to the government of India to start need counselling, we hope that by then we will be better placed and we will be able to do necessary interventions to ensure that all of these matters are attended to. Because for a very, very long time, doctors graduating from privileges given by state are seen not to come back to state. So all of that will be attended to, and we hope that as we see that there is competition in the application of the MBBS seat allotment, there should also be a responsible return to the state of Meghalaya. It should not compromise on the bond that is being signed by the student who is benefiting and the government of Meghalaya who is receiving this from the government of India. So all this while this matter was not attending. But we are noticing that more and more states are doing this. We have to discuss this matter with government of India and ensure that you are the one allocating a seat to our state. Do not compromise on the return of our doctors to our state, because the plea for the increase of seats in MBBS is grounded on the fact that we do not have doctors in our state. So this is something that we will take up with Government of India for an exclusion of state government signing bonds with our undergrad students. We took up some cases recently in West Bengal, UP. We managed to put a stay on some of the cases in West Bengal, but we are seeing that it is now rampantly being done by by colleges where state have been given allotment of seat. We are working on it, and we will definitely ensure doctors have a competition at the time of applying for MBBS seats through our state quota. At the time of taking the seat, they are willing to sign a document. But execution of that document as a follow-up post their completion of studies is where the policy has a big gap. So we're tightening all these gaps and making sure that we have a robust, binding policy that will ensure no matter what your excuse or plea is, you have to serve in the state of Meghalaya.